Hello everyone, this is Spaceman. We are going to learn about geostationary orbit today. So, what is a geostationary orbit? It's a orbital position at a distance of around 36,000 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. And why exactly do we need it? Geostationary orbits are required to place satellites in a position so that it remains exactly on top of the country which launched it. And how does the satellite stay exactly on the same spot in the orbit? To understand this concept, we need to know about the orbital period. The formula that we have here is the orbital period of the satellite. That is the time taken by the satellite to complete one orbit around the Earth. This equation is given by the Kepler's third law. If you are new to the concept, please check my video on the Kepler's law. But let's proceed now. Considering that the geosatellites are at 36,000 km and taking into the value of the gravitational constant and mass of the Earth, we can observe that the time period of the geo is almost 24 hours. So this clearly shows that the time taken for the Earth to rotate around itself and the time taken by the satellite placed at geo to complete one orbit is 24 hours, which means that the satellite stays in the same position as it goes around the Earth. Satellites at GEO are too far that three satellites placed at 120 degrees apart can cover the whole Earth. And the functions of the geosatellites vary from communication, meteorology, and navigation. Indian GEO Satellites. India has a series of communication satellites called as GSAT placed at geostationary orbit. Points to remember: 20 GSAT satellites have been launched, out of which 14 satellites are still in service. Not all of them are geostationary satellites. Some of them are geosynchronous satellites. Please watch my next video to know more about geosynchronous satellites. The geosatellite mission are being used for purposes such as military communication, to help Indian Navy in the ocean, satellite digital media broadcasting, and also for disaster management. We also have the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. They are the navigation satellite from India sent via GSAT missions. If you see the image, you can notice that there are three satellites placed on the equator. They are the geostationary satellites, and then they remain in the same position. The other four satellites are placed in the geosynchronous orbit. We also have the Gagan mission, which is GPS aided geo augmented satellite navigation system, which is useful for the civil aviation applications in India. The satellite network can cover from Africa to Australia and can coordinate with other GPS systems. The further information that we are going to see in the next videos are on the geostationary. The geostationary satellites are launched from GSLV, which is the geosynchronous launch vehicle. So we will see in detail about the GSLV, and the satellites are first placed at geosynchronous transfer orbit, and then they burn fuel to reach you. So we will also see in more detail about the geosynchronous transfer orbit. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any doubt, please leave it in the comment section. And thanks for watching the Spaceman YouTube channel, and please subscribe for more videos in future.